Hi everybody, welcome. This is a explanation of some of the features of NIF 4.0. What I want to show you is that there are these boxes that very few people actually use, so we want to make sure to get the word out because we think they could be quite helpful. So first of all, let's actually start out from the very farthest portion. So there's a load in a new page. So if you click that, whatever results you happen to be looking at, and you may or may not know that you can actually change the screen size or anything else, you can certainly take a look at any of your results and load them in a new page. So here I've actually unfortunately clicked the button twice, but in any case, what's going on here is now you've loaded the same set of results, whatever you found, just in a whole new window so that you can more easily browse, and then you can more quickly use some of the filters. So let's say and other things on top of here. So in any case, this is one of the features, so you can actually look at your results and browse them more easily in a larger window. Another one of the features is this view and pivot, and pivot is a very nice tool that Microsoft had come up with, and this takes a little while to load, but what that means is that the entire data set will come in here, and it will become this pivot collection. Oh, good, updates. Which will actually help you explore the particular data set in all kinds of interesting ways. So you can zoom in, you can zoom out, you can actually view these things by species. So you can see algae, cat, chicken, and of course rat and mouse have a lot of data. You can view by gender. That's interesting. Unspecified is well represented. Microscope type. So you can sort of take and browse and look at whichever kind of bar graph that you'd like to look at. Let's see, a region. Will that work very well? No, that one doesn't work very well. But in any case, you can then look by things like cell types or microscopy product types, and you can actually look at some of this beautiful data. Up front here you have the metadata around this image, and you can sort of browse around in it. So that's the other portion of this. The third button here is the export button, and what I can do is I can take any piece of any result that I have and just go ahead and export it to an Excel spreadsheet. So I can do that. I can select my columns, I can save it to my computer, and then I can come back and use Excel or any other spreadsheet program to actually explore that data set. Different buttons will be available for the different data sets. So for example, GenSat will not be able to be viewed in Pivot, but it can be loaded in a new window and it can be exported. The Human Brain Atlas can also be exported, it can be loaded in a new window, and it can be viewed in Pivot. So depending on what you're looking at, you might have different options, and they'll always come up here. All right, thanks for listening.